Hello, this is Crystal. Today I'm going to share with you about how to print jewelry models with really small wall thickness. Please look at this sample that printed by us. This model was provided by one of our Saudi Arabian customers. He is a super great jewelry manufacturer and he purchased 500 kilograms of custom jewelry resin for once. What's more, after reprinted this model, he was satisfied with it and so he ordered one more 3D printer for test.
Okay, let's go ahead to the details. The modeling size of this ring is 0.2 mm. The printed ring perfectly restored to the original design, and the support point of this ring, the side of it is also 0.2 mm. You can see that the support point is perfectly in connect with the ring, and there is no disconnection.
Now, let me show you the support. The distance between them is 2.3 mm. The density of them can support the printing documents and avoid the situation that the support is too dense and difficult to remove. You can see the support is very easy to remove.
Last, come to the trim. The distance between two rings is 0.47 mm, and it can be twisted freely after printing, and it won't stick together. It is perfect.
Okay, this is all I want to share with you today. iFun 311C jewelry casting resin. It combines easy to shape and easy to cast properties. It could be printed on both low UV power printers and the DLP. It is a perfect casting material. For more information, please visit Facebook iFun 3D Resin and our website, or send email to iFun3D.com. That's all for today. See you next time.